This is a 2014 Lexus IS 250. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 2.5-liter V6. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: dual power seats, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium Lexus audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, a first aid kit, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.